Hey, I'm Patrick Freevold. Welcome to Frogs Point Honey. Let's cook.
For these croquettes, you're going to need a can of tuna, an egg, breadcrumbs, plain or seasoned, salt and pepper, a little oil, some Frogs Point rub or whatever spice blend you like, and some hot sauce. Put the tuna in a bowl with the egg and mash it all together. Add a pinch of salt, a little pepper, and about a tablespoon of spice rub. Finish it off with a little hot sauce and give it a good stir. Fold in the breadcrumbs a little at a time until it forms a solid, relatively dry mass. Use your thumb and middle finger to form little pucks about an inch high and then roll each in breadcrumbs. Get them in some hot oil on medium-high heat. Meanwhile, make an herb aioli by adding some black pepper and chopped parsley to mayonnaise and mixing well. Once the croquettes are golden brown on every side, you are done.
Let's eat.